Hello. In today's tutorial, we are going to learn a little bit about how to use variables. So to begin, I have Scratch up here, and I'm going to click on the section called Variables, and I'm going to make a variable. I'm going to call my variable Celsius because I have a plan, and that plan will involve that variable. It's fine to make it for all sprites. When I do this, the variable appears here. The check mark indicates that it's appearing on the stage. If I uncheck it, it vanishes from the stage and so on. I also have 4 pieces here that allow me to manipulate the value of Celsius. Now to begin, I need to drag a when green flag click piece over here to start our script. And just to demonstrate this, I'm going to start off by setting Celsius to 0. So no matter what the value is, it will be set to 0 to start. Then I am going to have the cat say something. I will have the cat say, "Hello, I am a cool metric cat. I can convert from Fahrenheit to Celsius." So that will appear. And then we are going to have the cat ask. Got this out of order here. Let's put this back in order. Please enter a temperature in Fahrenheit. Now, when this appears, a little dialog box is going to appear, and whatever the person types in is going to show up in a variable called answer, which we can get from this variable here. I then need to do a little bit of arithmetic with that, and as you may or may not recall, to convert from Fahrenheit to Celsius, you subtract 32 and multiply by 5/9. So I'm going to need these 2 operations. So first I take whatever they've said in Fahrenheit and subtract 32. I take that value, put it in here, and multiply by 5/9, which I'm just going to write as 0 with a whole bunch of 5s after. That is going to be the Celsius value. So I go into variables, and I say set Celsius to that, like so. Finally, I would like the cat to announce this result. So I will go into here and say hello, but I don't want to just say one word. I need to say 2 things. So I need to join them together. And I will join the phrase, yes, that would be, let us say, that'll suffice, I think. That would be Celsius. Now, unfortunately, it's a little bit awkward. It would be nice to say, yes, that would be Celsius, and then so many degrees in Celsius. We could carry on just a little bit here and say degrees. But at some point, this just gets to be a little bit too convoluted. But you can see, so the inner join says, yes, that would be, and then a number, and then we have degrees Celsius. I might put a space here just to make sure it looks good. We'll try it out. Oops. Let me see if I can get the whole thing. There we go. So if I click on the green flag, please enter a temperature in Fahrenheit. I'll try 212 degrees Fahrenheit, and it tells me, yes, that would be 100 degrees Celsius. Perhaps I could leave this for a few seconds longer. I'll leave that for 5 seconds. Anyway, that's the end of the tutorial. Drop me a line if you have any questions.